Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Kerry. I was asked by a friend to make this ballerina towel for her granddaughter after she saw a pink one I'd made for a new baby. My two sisters and I all had ballet lessons when we were young. My older sister was good and danced in a Stedfords, wearing beautiful costumes, but I was no ballerina. I was much better at tennis. I made the ballerinas using my ballerina pattern, but used a small black circle for the eyes instead of the eyes on the pattern. I used Sheepy's Maxi Sweet Treat, 2-ply cotton and a 1mm hook to crochet the ballerinas and stitch them to the towel using my sewing machine. I used the colours of the applique for the top thread and the colour of the towel for the bobbin thread. For the ballerina in the light pink dress, I used 749 pink, 786 fuchsia, 105 bridal white, 404 English tea, and 110 black. The ballerina with the yellow dress was made using 208 yellow gold, 280 lemon, 105 bridal white, 162 black coffee, and 110 black. The middle ballerina with the red dress is made using 115 hot red, 130 old lace, 162 black coffee, 106 snow white, and 110 black. I used 606 grass green, 513 spring green, 130 old lace, 179 topaz, and 110 black for the ballerina with the green dress. And the ballerina in the dark and light pink dress is made using 749 pink, 786 fuchsia, 105 bridal white, 257 antique mauve, and 110 black. You can find my written patterns using both UK and US terms on my website. There's a link in the description below. There's also links to my Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter accounts, and my Facebook group and Patreon. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.